In this video, I designed a money clip wallet in Fusion 360. Then I take it into LightBurn and get it ready for the laser, show the laser cutting process, and then I put the wallet together. I've had the best luck designing everything in one drawing and then copying the drawings to multiple drawings and deleting the pieces that I need. I have an easier time lining up holes and everything that I need. After I separate all the components out, I use the push-pull to turn these into bodies, and I can apply the leather colors that I want so I can see the product before I actually make it. After using appearance to add the leather colors, I use the joint and assemble commands to put everything together and get a look at everything combined. Once I finish the drawing in Fusion 360, I save the sketch as a DXF, and I will import that DXF into LightBurn and start adjusting the layers. I like to separate the components that I'm going to cut together into their own layers. I will do 2 layers for those, one for the outline and one for the holes, and I cut those at different rates, and I like to cut the holes first. That's why I have the separate layers for each. found when I'm engraving something like my logo here that it does best to do a fill pass of everything and then do a second layer that is the outline and run that. It seems to give the engraving a lot more depth. If you like this content I'm making, do me a favor and like and subscribe. It helps out my channel. Watched a YouTube video about doing a saddle stitch, and one of the things they recommended was skiving, and I tried it on this wallet and I found that my stitching was so much easier. It really made a difference, and when I burnished the edges it seemed to help that out too.